Hey, Martin here. So just wanted to give you some good news today. As a real estate agent, and since I work with a lot of developers and other landlords, I always learned early that it's good to keep your vacancy rates as low as possible on your properties. So from the time that I got the house, even before the place is rented and ready to go, I'm already trying to rent it. So I already received a few applications, and I found one application that I do like. Looks like I'm going to approve this application. So I already have, before the house is even done, I already have the first floor rented, and I'm going to get $750 a month for it. Pretty good. So ultimately, it's just going to add to the pressure now to get the place done. Hopefully, I'll get it done faster than later, but I'm working on it. So just a quick update, just a quick video. I did say I'm going to tell you guys everything step by step. This is definitely one of the good steps. I got a renter for the first floor. How I decided to choose the tenants that I got was pretty simple. I use the same strategy that I use for all my landlords. I look at their income. I check to see how solid it is. Basically, I'm calling their jobs, finding out how regular their paychecks are, how solid their jobs are, if they're not going to be fired in a month or two. And as far as income is concerned, I want to see that they can pay their rent on 2 weeks of their paychecks. So 50% of their income for me, as long as they can pay their rent with 50% of their income monthly, I'm happy. I can trust that they'll be able to live in the property. That's my criteria. I've used that criteria for many apartments in New York, and I have not had any issues with my landlords not being able to collect any rent. So I should believe that strategy is going to work just fine for me, and I should trust it. And that's how I chose my tenant. And also, you got to make sure that the tenant was never evicted. My tenant was never evicted. Thank you. I'm still working on the second one. I got a few applications. Not so thrilled about any of them, so I'm going to wait for more. Hit you up in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like button. And thank you for your subscriptions.